Hello, welcome to Rando Tech Info. So big day today. I finally got my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus delivered to me. A lot of people have talked about these, reviewed these, said how much they like them. My man from Al's Homestead here also recommended them to me. So I thought I would give them a try. So today the point of this video is to just give them a quick unboxing and sound test, just to do a general sound comparison to say a run-of-the-mill set of earbuds. We'll get into all the fun and the details and the nitty-gritty on these things a little bit later. So in addition to the buds, I also got a wireless charging pad that came with the buds. Now, this is something that came free. I did not pay extra for this. If you go on Samsung's website right now, samsung.com, they will throw in this wireless charger pad with these for no extra charge. One other thing to note, B&H, I believe right now, and I'm filming this on May 3rd, 2020, B&H, as of yesterday, May 2nd, was still offering a deal where you could get both of these things for $130 instead of $150. So actually $20 off for the buds and the free wireless charging pad. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't go through them to get it, was you had to get them in white, not red. Now, you might be thinking it's kind of silly to pay an extra $20 for something just to get it in a different color. That's fair, but I wanted them in red, so that's what I did. Judge me if you like. So for my unboxing today, as I've done with some of my other videos in the past, I'm going to be using my head rig here, and I'm going to put my filming device in here, and you will see in first person me filming it. Most big time YouTubers, when they do unboxings, they have like a sky rig. They actually have like a camera set up over their head that films straight down and gives you a nice smooth shot. Eventually I would like to have that kind of an apparatus in my studio. However, we're not there quite yet. A little knife here. And we're just gonna make some cuts. Sorry, I'm trying to. It's difficult to see with this thing kind of down over my face. So I apologize if the experience is. There we go. Okay. So, there you have them, the buds. Okay, let's pull this out here. I assume we got the cords and everything in there. Sleeve slides off. Oh, I do like that red. I don't know if I'm going to be a fan of that glossy finish or not. You know, I used to have a Dodge Challenger, and it had this like paint flecked red on it. It was almost identical to this, and yeah, those are pretty. Those are nice. Not too heavy, but they don't feel cheap. I mean, I wouldn't mind a little bit heavier case actually material on it, but it's not bad. And then I think just in here you're just gonna have like the generic. Oh, the cord is. Sorry, these are the earpieces, the other earpieces for ear fitting. They have different sizes, of course. Most high-end buds do. This cord is just black, which is fine. I mean, you know, I'm not gonna complain. I was hoping to be red, but whatever. It's USB-C, which is nice. Should make charging quick. And then, of course, you've got the spare little rings for different size ear canals. Looks like there's a bunch in there, so I'll have to check those out. So something real quick to note, and you saw this in the unboxing, but there's no charger brick actually in the box for the buds. So when you get these things, if you want to give them a full charge, you'll need to find a brick from somewhere else, or use a wireless charging pad. That will do the job as well. So now we're going to do a quick sound test of the Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, just for the sake of full disclosure, there is a Samsung wearables app that you can download and use with this that has an equalizer in it. You can make all kinds of sound adjustments and everything for this. We're not going to be doing any of that. This is just the sound that you're going to get with these out of the box. So keep that in mind while we do the test. We're going to be putting this up against this pair of headphones right here, which, in case if you want to know, these are Tautronics. wireless stereo headphones. They were about $50. I got them around Christmas. I'm actually really impressed with the sound that they do have for that price point. So I feel like they're kind of a good, just standard, mid-level, decent sounding set of earbuds. And we can kind of put these up against the Samsung Buds Plus and kind of see if we can get kind of a difference. I'm going to listen to them first, and then I'm going to use my studio microphone actually that I have right here. And we're going to use this. I'm going to put the earbuds right up against the mic, and we're going to see if you can tell the difference. I'm not sure how well this is going to work or how realistic. This will let you know how this sounds. Actually, I probably sound really weird right now with the microphone facing the other way, but you'll get at least maybe an idea of what these things sound like. Okay, so we're going to start out with some Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. I've been using these for a while now, so I'm kind of used to this sound. Nice, full sound. Very solid. I've got it turned up all the way, by the way, and I'm going to be doing this for you guys as well, just for the sake of keeping it even. So I'm going to crank this sucker. So I'm going to play this for you guys, see what you think. Okay, now let's try the buds. Okay, so here we go. It's interesting. I hear, I think, more detail. I think I hear more like the echo in like the hall it was recorded in. I think it's a little cleaner. I don't think the lows are any better. I don't think the bass is any better, the low parts, but it's definitely very, very clean. All right, so now let's see what you guys think. Okay, so to be honest, I didn't know that I heard a huge difference in sound quality. I did hear, like I said, I thought it was a little bit cleaner with these. But once again, the Tautronics are a very good $50 set of earbuds. You're going to get more bang for your buck with the corded neckband earbuds anyway than with the truly wireless. And Tom's Guide had rated them basically the best cheaper set of earbuds you could pick up over the holiday season last year. So those are some good sounding earbuds. So the fact that these were able to at least hold their own with those without making any sound adjustments, without making any changes, I think is actually pretty good. I'm also really looking forward to getting to the ambient sound mode on this thing. Like I said, messing with the equalizers, messing with all the special features on this that these do not have. So that's all I have today about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. If there are some things that you specifically want to know about these buds, let me know. Drop those down in the comments, and then that way, as I do the more long-term review over the course of the next couple of weeks, I can specifically look for things that you want to know about. At any rate, unboxings are always a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Rando Tech Info signing out.